नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल। वेलकम टू रॉ एंड रियल द बिजनेस एडिशन एपिसोड 10। एंड मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट अनामिका रैना एंड मेरे साथ हैं अंतिमा एंड सरबजीत, मेरी अकाउंटेबिलिटी पार्टनर्स। हाय गाइस, हाउ आर यू?
Hi, good.
ग्रेट। और आज हम एक बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट से मिलने वाले हैं। वो एक बहुत ही प्यारी सी स्टे एट होम मॉम है एंड उनको वर्क का कोई भी बैकग्राउंड नहीं है। ना तो काम का कोई बैकग्राउंड है और ना ही कोई बिजनेस का बैकग्राउंड है। उसके बावजूद भी एक्चुअली यू नो व्हाट, शी जस्ट पास्ड आउट कॉलेज एंड शी गॉट मैरिड and then she moved to US. She stayed here for some years and then she moved to Canada with her family, and then there one day she realized, she now wants to take a stand for herself, and she took this bold step and started amazing business for herself. And let's hear it from her. Let's bring her in and know about her journey.
Hello,
Hi Anjum, how are you?
hello.
अंजुम आप म्यूट पे है।
Oh, आप म्यूट पे हो, I think.
Yeah.
अनामिका ने म्यूट कर दिया था। Anyways,
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Welcome to our
Welcome.
channel. Thank you so much for your time and it's our pleasure to have you here. बहुत ही क्यूट लग रही हैं आप, as
Oh.
always.
thank you so much, Anamika.
थोड़ा सा
Yeah, exactly.
You're given. Thank you so
अपना
much. I hope आप तीनों भी मजे में हैं and doing great.
एकदम मजे में। जी जी जी।
I know it's
बिल्कुल।
not the way around. I'm saying kids are sick, and I really have concern because मेरे kids, they were staying home for the past 10 days. मतलब ये हफ्ता ही वो school जा रहे हैं. So I really understand. And even my youngest one was not feeling well yesterday. She didn't go to school. But आज गई है, तो kids are not doing good. But
I know the weather.
that's how it
It's the
is.
Due to
weather.
weather, yeah.
Yes. Yeah, actually, this is like, I really want to thank you. And it's like, really, she is so humble that we were going to have this episode 2 days back, but because of there was a lot going on, Sarabjit had a minor accident from snow. She was playing with her kids और मेरे दोनों बच्चे घर पे ही थे और बीमार थे, because I think it's a weather, like viral पूरा
Due to
उसमें
weather. It's
air
all
में ही
about
है।
due to
अंतिमा के भी
weather.
बच्चे घर पे थे, तो हम लोगों को कैंसिल करना पड़ा, बट शी वाज रियली काइंड एंड हम्बल. शी गेव अस टाइम अगेन एंड शी सेड इट्स ओके, लेट्स रीशेड्यूल. सो थैंक यू सो मच.
No worries at all. It's my pleasure. You guys are my accountability partners, team, and you really wanted to come over and be a part of your, this series and give you that little bit of push and, motivation and, be humble enough to come back. So, really appreciate your time.
थैंक यू सो मच, अप्रिशिएट, थैंक यू.
Okay.
So अंजुम, हम हमेशा ऐसे ही करते हैं. प्लीज गिव अस लिटिल बिट ऑफ योर इंट्रोडक्शन. तो वहां से हम लोग भी आपके बारे में, हमारे व्यूअर्स आपके बारे में थोड़ा सा जानेंगे और दे विल आल्सो गेट इंस्पायर्ड. जस्ट गिव अस अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ इंट्रोडक्शन.
Absolutely. So again, I just like how Anamika has introduced me. मेरा नाम अंजुम नवाब है. Basically, I come from India. I come from the southern part of India, from Tamil Nadu. I grew up in Dubai, and my husband is from Bangalore. We moved back to India. I stayed there in India. Of course, I did my college, then moved back to India. Got married with my husband, who is from Bangalore. Stayed in India for 4 years, and then we moved back. We immigrated to US. Along with my son, my 4-year-old son at that point of time. US में मैं रही, and I did not do any kind of upgrading my education क्योंकि we are on the sponsorship visas, dependent visas, plus motherhood, immigration, stress of being completely away from family. Yeah, it's a lot to carry, and I was I was quite young at that age, and I decided to not mentally stress myself with the financial burden of the house, and so I just left it over for my husband. I concentrated on my kids. I had my second child in US, and we were happy doing the normal things, taking care of kids. And and then we decided that we needed a much better plan to get settled in life. Since, kids were growing up, and the visas and everything was not easy in US, so we decided to have a plan B and apply over for Canada and the the residency for Canada.
Right.
And,
Yes.
and it worked out. It was a long process. 3 years we gave to that entire process, and then we moved over to Calgary in the year 2020, and we decided to call it our home. Ki bas ho gaya ab karke, and we welcomed our third child here in Calgary in the year 2020.
Oh, beautiful.
Settled down. Yeah, we completely settled down here, and that was the point when COVID also was at peak, and where it were hitting each and everyone. Like they were becoming a part of everyone's story. And pehle hum aise sunte the falan ka hua, falan ko, and slowly it started coming closer and closer. Even people whom have been at very very good positions were just laid off in in a matter of time. So that was a time कि हमने decide किया कि खैर हम यहाँ तक तो आ गए, and then we've got a beautiful family, a growing family, and we got to make sure that we have something extra before it hits us, right? And I had to take the initiative, right? Life teaches us so many things, and at that point of time, I decided that I had the pleasure of looking after my kids for so many years, and with my priorities, which are kids, of course, as a mom, of course, your first priority is your kid, and if with my kids, agar मैं कुछ extra कर सकूं, and even if it is $1,000 or $500 to $1,000, I would be the happiest. And that was my goal. And I decided कि with my youngest one, who was close to 6 to 7 months, I decided to start search on the online space, क्योंकि वही मेरे लिए सबसे बेहतर था, क्योंकि नई country है, no friends, no relatives and everything. Leaving kids somewhere to daycare, we had no plans, no clue कि कौन सा daycare अच्छा है, कौन सा अच्छा नहीं है. So all those things, I decided this is my best place, the online space, to make income. अब यहाँ पर क्या करते हैं ये भी मुझे नहीं पता था, and so I started to search, I started to see. I found some customer service jobs, which is the most convenient for people who have no experience, but कि वो चाहते हैं कि आप ना बिना कोई noise के रहें, right? You don't have to have any sounds, especially when you have calls and everything. And I had my 7-month-old at that point of time.
Which was not possible.
No, it's not possible. She cries and everything. I can't literally leave her in the other room. तो और भी ज़्यादा stressful हो गया था.
Right.
So I just did for 2 days and I gave it up कि ये मेरे लिए नहीं है. And then I started to do see again, research again, and when she was close to 11 months, I found this business opportunity. I decided to go with it because first and foremost, it was flexible. कोई आपको educational requirements नहीं चाहिए थी, and आप घर पर बच्चों के साथ आराम से कर सकते हो. So it checked all my boxes, and I was like, fine, whatever it is, I have to go with it. ये आया है, अब इसी को करना है. And legal था, ठीक है, and real people. हाँ, रियल पीपल है, रियल रिजल्ट्स है, और इससे क्या ज्यादा चाहिए. डिजिटल भी है, डिजिटल अर्निंग बोल रहे थे. इतना कुछ ज्यादा आइडिया नहीं था, कभी किया भी नहीं था. But then I decided that this is the best opportunity for me, and बस
let's make it work.
Yeah, it's 3 years. Yeah, 3 years.
3 years. Nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah, it's been amazing.
अंजुम, मुझे आपसे पूछना था कि जैसे आपने जब ये बिजनेस को स्टार्ट किया तो आपको कुछ डिफिकल्टी नहीं फील हुई, लाइक जैसे आपको कोई वर्क एक्सपीरियंस आप बोल रहे थे कुछ नहीं था, तो इसमें थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन करें कि कोई डिफिकल्टी आई थी जब आपने स्टार्ट किया था, क्योंकि इसमें वर्क एक्सपीरियंस का कुछ है ना कि चाहिए, हम बोलते हैं कि नहीं चाहिए.
एग्जैक्टली वैसे तो बिजनेस के लिए, आपको बिजनेस सेटअप करने के लिए तो कोई वर्क एक्सपीरियंस नहीं चाहिए, बट आई वुड से when you have some kind of work experience, like what you have is a confident, मतलब a certain degree of confidence ना कि आपने लोगों से have the capacity of holding a conversation, speaking to new people and everything. So I would say वो मेरे पास नहीं था, because I have been with my kids and that limited circle of friends. हम weekends पे मिलते हैं, and for dinners or just for going outside somewhere for trips or something. But other than that, I had no kind of a professional friends जहाँ पर आप related, आप colleagues इस तरह से नहीं था. तो वो मेरे लिए एक nervous situation थी, like how I will be. I'm always a listener in a group. I won't speak a lot. I don't like to. Maybe that's my basic I would say character. Part of my character is I mostly listen. I speak only when it is necessary. That's how I am. ठीक है, तो I was like, would I be able to make it or not? क्योंकि कभी भी इस तरह से हमने कभी socially on the media platforms, we have never been so
Yeah.
active enough, never done this kind of engagements on my Facebook, इस तरह से जो है posting करना वगैरह, क्योंकि WhatsApp group तो है, family, cousins वगैरह, so it's everything happens on WhatsApp. So what is the need for me to come on Facebook and post? I have never done that. Account was there, and trust me, I made my first post after I started the business, and I did my account while I was getting my, मतलब वो 12 साल पहले का account जो है, that was the time,
Finally use हुआ.
हाँ, ऐसे ही था वो, कुछ मैंने नहीं किया था, and then I think मैंने कुछ लेक का कोई फोटो अपडेट कर दिया था. That same profile I'm carrying forward now in the business as well. So ये सारी मुझे difficult, because learning was a bit slower, I would say, but I was okay with it, because I decided कि मेरी जो journey है is going to be different from others, right?
Yes.
So I got to give myself that space and that time, and encourage myself to do better. ये नई field है और कभी हमने काम नहीं किया है, so definitely I did not look and compare myself with others. I was okay with my own pace, ठीक है, and I was very very slow with the onboarding training. बहुत I think 1.5 महीना बाद मेरा website बना. I was that so but कि बच्ची के
वही तो
साथ
ब्यूटी है ना इस बिजनेस की, कि आपको पास ऐसा कोई डेडलाइंस नहीं है कि आपको मीट करनी है. यू कैन टेक योर ओन टाइम अराउंड योर ओन किड्स एंड टेक योर ओन पेस एंड build this business, right?
So बस थोड़ी सी difficulties थी, and I think that's totally fine, with time and with the training sites and everything, वो जो है धीरे-धीरे दूर हो गई. So that was the initial phase.
तो अंजुम, आप ये 3 ईयर से ये बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, हम लोगों ने अभी स्टार्ट किया है, हम लोग बहुत न्यू हैं इस बिजनेस में, तो आप हमको कुछ ऐसी टिप्स दीजिए जो हम भी अच्छे से सक्सेसफुल होए, और हमारी जो लोग हैं जो ये देख रहे हैं उनको भी इससे क्या इंस्पायर करिए कि वो भी ये बिजनेस ज्वाइन करें, और किस तरह से वो सक्सेस हो सकते हैं. हमको कुछ टिप्स दीजिए प्लीज.
टिप्स अगर मैं बोलूं अंतिमा, तो अगर what I have done for myself was just belief, and क्योंकि देखिए अभी मेरी लाइफ, my business journey has not been the one very smooth, right? I have had lots of ups and downs and everything. Had I felt that this is not for me and I left it, कि है ना, it's क्योंकि देखिए अभी जैसे मैं कहाँ पर मैंने बोला था, I think in the Christmas virtual meet, कि whomever I was seeing were either working or on a mat leave or on a career break, है ना, इसी तरह के. But very, even if I was seeing other leaders of our our community, कोई banking profession से belong करता है, कोई social working करता है, मैं I was like, मैं तो कुछ भी नहीं करके यहाँ पर आ गई हूँ. I'm a completely different personality over here. But then I decided that I had to start from somewhere or the other. And if God has placed this opportunity in front of me, that's for my better, कुछ ना कुछ है आगे जिसके लिए वो मुझे prepare कर रहा है, right? So that's how I perceived this opportunity, and I was totally fine for the mistakes I have done, for the failures I encountered on the along the route. So that's what my tip would be, कि है ना, भले ही you feel that कि कुछ नहीं हुआ आज, why there are going to be a lot of moments wherein you're going to be sunken down with doubt and nervousness. It's totally fine. आपको फिर वापस बाहर आना ही आना है, and that's how every businesses work. And and believe that this business is the best business you can ever find. That is something which you're not going to let go, है ना, क्योंकि अभी देखिए digital earning is the best way to earn, and digital marketing is, जैसे Forbes has declared that this is going to be a $1 trillion industry by 2030, and we are in the best space. आपके पास हर चीज है, affiliate है, training, mentorship, support है, बाहर जाओगे से भी ज्यादा जो है इन्वेस्टमेंट वगैरह है. अपनी जो एफिलिएट है आपको बेस्ट एंड बेस्ट कमीशन स्ट्रैटेजी देती है, रिटायरमेंट प्लान्स जो है बहुत अच्छे हैं. वी आर एसोसिएटेड with the best of the best. So you cannot ask for more, you have been blessed with the best. So वो चीज जो है आप अपने से जो है छूटने ना दे, and then just hold to that thing and work yourself, and why won't you be successful? Those who work will be successful 110%. मेहनत कभी जाया नहीं.
Yeah.
तो
100%.
मेहनत तो हमेशा रंग लाती है, तो you just have that and keep doing, you know, it
Yeah.
will happen. That's what I want to say.
या जब मेरा लेड ऑफ हुआ था तो मैंने मेरे सामने जब ये बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी आई तो मुझे केवल एक ही चीज लगा कि भगवान जी ने मेरे लिए ये भेजा है कि मुझे
Exactly, ऐसे दिखता है.
या क्योंकि जॉब मिल नहीं रहा है तो मुझे ये अपॉर्चुनिटी, क्योंकि
हाँ.
उससे पहले मेरे कभी ये वीडियोस आए नहीं थे मेरे पास में, कुछ नहीं पता था मुझे,
वाह.
पर अचानक ही मेरे सामने ये अपॉर्चुनिटी आई और मैंने 2 दिन भी नहीं लगाया, सोचा भी नहीं इतना ज्यादा, मैंने इसको ग्रैब किया। तो
Exactly.
या
Exactly.
हमारे लिए भगवान जी ने पूरा अलग कुछ सोचा हुआ है, हम लोग इतना
Exactly.
तो
We don't know, he knows the best, right? We
Yeah.
don't know, he knows what is the best for us. और हमारे लिए आगे चल के अभी देखिए जॉब है, I understand you get a pay, you know, bi-weekly or monthly जो भी है, but then imagine that when you start to make income in this business, it's going to surpass that income and that's going to look like अरे इतना कम था पहले और
right.
इसमें कितना ज्यादा है, so that day also is going to come, right? So जब मेरा इनकम स्टार्ट हुआ था तो I was just like मेरे लिए अगर सिर्फ 500 भी आ गया as a stay home mom, I would be, you know, on top of a mountain.
More than happy.
Oh, yeah, exactly.
You know, and then when I see the income coming in, so it's like shocking, you know, my kids are happy, my
Wow.
husband is happy, they are proud of me, तो ये भी होगा, right? So yeah, so,
तो कीप द फेथ। बहुत अच्छी बात बोली, बहुत ही प्यारी बात बोली अंजुम आपने कि यू नो कि इट्स ऑल अबाउट द फेथ, बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ एंड स्टे पॉजिटिव, ट्रस्ट द प्रोसेस एंड बी कंसिस्टेंट, दैट्स द थिंग।
your hard work, you know.
या इट्स प्योर हार्ड वर्क। कोई भी इजी मनी कुछ भी नहीं है,
नहीं।
ओवरनाइट वो
But
कुछ भी नहीं होता।
Yeah.
You have to, even if it is flexible, even if it is, it's going to bring you a lot of freedom and legacy, but you still have to work for any business. You have to give.
कि अगर you know, if it is something like आपने रिव्यूज देख के पैसे कमाने हैं,
Right.
वो स्कैम है, वो गलत है, because that is not that, you know, what happens is that I don't know if you're aware or not, there is something going on WhatsApp जहां पर आपने रिव्यूज देने हैं और वीडियोस देखने हैं और आपको वो पैसे देंगे.
Yes.
I do not know.
Scam.
What stuff happens.
Yeah, then what I did was I just tried to go ahead and see कि ये होता क्या है ना? फिर उसमें होता है कि आपको क्रिप्टो में पैसे डालने हैं, आपने कुछ आप देखिए कि किस तरह से वो आपको घुमा रहे हैं। फेसबुक रील्स में ऐसे दिखाएंगे कि बस कुछ नहीं करना है, आपको बस वीडियोस देखनी है और आपको पैसे मिलते जाएंगे, एंड यू आर सो मच लाइक पीपल वांट इजी मनी, राइट? इमीडिएटली बिल हो जाए, वॉलमार्ट बिल खत्म हो जाए, दिस इज आवर इंटरेस्ट, वी डोंट लुक फॉर कि सही है, एंड इन दिस प्रोसेस वी वेस्ट आवर हार्ड अर्न मनी। हम लोग बोले चलो ठीक है, कुछ नहीं पूछ रहे ना कि बस इतना ही एक कॉइन कुछ लेना है, एंड देन दे गोइंग टू गिव अस सो मच ऑफ मनी, एंड यू नेवर रियलाइज व्हेन यू फॉल इन द ट्रैप एंड यू स्पेंड थाउजेंड्स एंड थाउजेंड्स, तो 100 से 1000 से 10,000 कब हो जाता है आपको पता भी नहीं लगता। दैट्स हाउ दे ट्रैप यू। बट ये वाली बिजनेस लेजिट है, और लेजिट है तो मेहनत तो है, बट हाँ ऐसी वाली मेहनत नहीं है जहां पर आपको खून पसीना बहाना है एंड 9 to 5 खड़े रहना है, ऐसी वाली अपने घर पर रिलैक्सिंगली यू कैन डू योर वर्क, बट यस देयर इज योर एफर्ट दैट शोज द रिजल्ट्स। या
ट्रू। Yeah, I agree.
Thank you so much, Anjum, for all this, tips and insights. बहुत मजा आया हमें आज आपसे बात करके, और आई एम श्योर हमारी ऑडियंसेस ने भी बहुत सारे गोल्डन नगेट्स लिए होंगे इस कॉन्वर्सेशन से. सो इट वाज ब्यूटीफुल. थैंक यू सो मच once again for your time and coming here and sharing all this.
So much.
And yeah, thank you everyone. Stay tuned for our next episode.
Bye.
Thank you so much.
Bye.